Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today let's talk about limiting beliefs. I truly believe that having a successful entrepreneurial mindset, being like super strong up here, that's what separates the wannabes from the ones that actually make it. And that's why the very first video inside the Impact Blogging Academy, it's all about mindset. So if you want some homework to really work on this stuff, I really want you to grab a pen and journal out the following. So what's been holding you back from achieving the business of your dreams? What's been holding you back? So write out all the crap, the BS stories that you're telling yourself. What limiting beliefs are you believing about yourself? So some examples of limiting beliefs would be, I don't understand. I'm scared of rejection. I don't have what it takes. I could never do that. I don't have the skills. Successful people are just lucky. I'll never make enough money, which they're all BS. Now write out the truth, turn those limiting beliefs around. So you could turn I don't understand into all I need is within me now. Or I'm scared of rejection can turn into rejection is essential on the path to success. So do the work, be a good student, take some massive action today. And I would love to know what your new empowering beliefs are. So share with me on Instagram at She's Making an Impact, and I'll talk to you later.